hitting big boulders. Keep your fingers crossed this end. See if we can see if there's any colour this end. Can end in tears and probably will. So this is that's the bottom part of the boulder here. And we'll talk about top and tail, and we'll take that top off, that's rubbish, and then you can see the lovely veins all the way through here. Stone. Beautiful boulder. So, lovely stones coming to you. Good, right?
Good top and tail.
Yeah, good top and tail. Oh, okay. So this is the rest of the boulder. As you can see, these veins along here going to make some beautiful stones. So we cut the top off and then go waist and then the bottom to get just to the bottom of the veins, and then start cutting stones, and they will be beautiful. And you can see the size